Hi everyone. So many people have asked me this question that, when they practice, what do they have to practice? Do they have to play songs and they practice those songs? And my answer to that is no. You need to do finger exercises. So finger exercises, there's no one exercise or three kinds of exercise and so on and so forth. There's a lot of exercises out there depending on what you want to perfect. So I'm just gonna do my very first exercise here using the chromatic scale. Now what you want to do is each and every finger here must play one fret. So this finger here, your index finger, will play on this fret. This finger here will play this fret. This finger will play this fret, and so on and so forth. But if you put your fingers around here, you will see that they don't fit perfectly like this. They will sort of leave. Maybe a pinky finger won't be able to hold here on this fret, which is not a problem, because when you play, you need to move your hand up and down, okay? So for the first exercise, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to play chromatic scale, going downwards and then coming downwards through the neck of the bass, and then we go up again. So here we go. So it's 1, then we change the key. We do the very same thing on the next key. If we want, we can do it like this. Then you come up. Change the key. Okay, and then when you're done here, you come up, you do the very same thing, you go down and so on and so forth, and when you're done, you do it backwards. Then you start from this key, the next one, the next one, the next one, the very same thing that you were doing downwards. Now you do it upwards. Now you can do this exercise for about 1 hour. Don't worry about the speed. If you're not perfect on your fingers to move fast, you can start slow. And then you can increase the speed when you feel comfortable with your fingers. You can do this exercise for a week, man, up until you perfect the speed. And then after this one, then the next time I will load another exercise. Thank you so much. I hope this helped.